here before your rightful days are done. And who is this showing you the way?
Up there, in the bright living life, I lost my way. This spirit appeared to me just as I was about to turn back, and by this road he guides me home.
Follow your star, and you cannot fail to reach your goal. But beware, there are those who will become your enemy. They are envious men, proud and avaricious. You must not let their ways contaminate you. Your destiny is greatness, but they will seek to devour you.
I shall note well what you have told me and save it, along with another text, to show a lady who will interpret it if I can reach her.